Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ADT smart home sensors with Google Home, full guide step by step clearly. To activate ADT smart home sensors with Google Home, start by ensuring your ADT system is set up correctly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. In the app, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. Select Set Up Device from the menu options. Choose Works with Google. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find ADT. Tap on the ADT icon when it appears. You will be prompted to log in to your ADT account. Enter your ADT credentials and click Login. Grant the necessary permissions for Google Home to access your ADT devices. Once connected, you will see a list of available devices. Select the ADT smart home sensors you want to activate. After selecting the sensors, tap Add to Room to assign them to specific rooms in your home. You may then rename each sensor if needed for easy voice commands. To finalize the setup, tap Done or Finish. Now, your ADT smart home sensors are integrated with Google Home. Test the setup by saying, "Hey Google, activate sensor name." If it responds correctly, your setup is complete. In case of any issues, double-check your ADT account settings and the connections within the Google Home app. For additional assistance, refer to the troubleshooting section of the ADT and Google Home support pages. Now you can control your ADT smart home sensors seamlessly with your voice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.